Today we're introducing the new Rydeen's BL01 MR, a complete camera and bracket solution designed for quick installation, clean styling and dependable performance. Right here you can see the BL01 MR. Already installed on the vehicle, notice how the bracket gives a clean OEM-style appearance, blending naturally with the license plate area. Wherever you mount it, in front or the rear, it delivers a neat professional look without requiring any drilling. Now let's take a look at what comes inside of the box. BL01 MR. Our package includes the CM-MINy3 ultra compact camera, the BL01 license plate, bracket and all the hardware needed for installation. Everything is organized and ready to go right out of the box, making the step fast and straightforward. The CM-MINy3 camera is one of Rydeen's most trusted models. It features a 170-degree wide-angle view that captures more visibility around the vehicle. You get great image clarity with 480 TVL resolution and excellent low-light performance with less than 0.3 lux capability. It also offers selectable mirror or standard viewing models and optional parking guidelines that you can turn on or off depending on your vehicle and performance. Next, let's talk about the BL01 bracket. It's built for reliability and versatility. The bracket securely holds the mini-style cube camera and gives you a flexibility for different vehicle types and mounting positions. Installation is simple. Position the bracket, tighten the hardware, adjust the angle of the camera, and you're done. No drilling, no complicated setup, just a clean, secure mount in minutes. By bringing these two proven products together, the CM-MINy3 camera and the BL01 bracket, Rydeen has created a unified, ready-to-install package that saves installation time, ensures a consistent professional result every single time. This is the BL01 MR, compact, clean, efficient, and built to deliver reliable visibility for any driver, ready to install right out of the box.